Today I'm going to give you a demo of a module that I built that works with Dynamics SL web apps. It's for entering company mileage so that you can have the detailed odometer readings to support your invoicing. So first what I'll do is show you that we have a project charge batch that ends in 457. Then we'll go to web apps and enter company mileage. I'm set up as an admin, so I have the ability to enter and edit on behalf of other employees. But if you do not grant admin access, your employees will not see this, and it will just default to them. To pull up an existing document or log, you'll just search in the document number, and you can pull up posted, in process, completed items. But today we will do a new report. So to start a new one, what you'll do is find the equipment that you want to work with. And today we will do the 2019 Chevy Traverse. We will enter a description and hit save. The reason I have to save for the equipment ID is as we start to get history, if this equipment has been used, I'm actually returning the last odometer end as the odometer start. It's a nice checks and balances, I think, for the drivers. But what you'll do here is just enter your project, WBS information. We'll put 1550, 1600, hit save. Now we can copy the row if the project and task are the same. And then it pulls the odometer end as the new odometer start. We'll hit save. We'll say this was actually the next day. Or you could just do a new row, which will not default those items. So we'll pick a different project here. We'll put client request. Hit save. We can view a report. So you can have a nice little printout if you want. We chose not to have manager approvals, but that could be built in if needed. So when we're finished, we will just slide that to completed. Hit save. Whoops, we forgot to do something. You can reopen it if you want, as long as it's in a completed status. But we'll leave it there for now. You can get an idea of what the mobile entry looks like. This is the toggle form grid view. So if you click that, you can move that up, and then you just have a nice little screen, and this lets you run through your rows. Okay, so that's what it looks like for people entering mileage. Then we have a batch creation screen. This is more for the accounting folks. This is where all that data gets reviewed and then sent over to project charge entry. So we'll say get open logs. I have 2 logs. I'm just going to pick the one that I just entered right now. But you can view it here and see the detail that's on it. And if you needed to make a quick change, you could actually reopen it from this screen. But for now, we will just put it into a batch, select the period that we want it to post to. You can hit save, and then you can see that the batch ID gets assigned. And we have 1 log ID in the batch. You could click Get Open Batches and then select another one if you want. Now we have 2 in there. We'll move that one back out just so it's easy to see. And when you're ready, flip it to completed, hit save, and project charge entry batch 543466 was created. Total was $87. There was 466. there's $87. And as you can see, the employee, the projects, the tasks, the transaction dates all come over, equipment ID, and then this is the log ID. So those items are now ready to be allocated and then put on a billing batch. And we also have a report in here that's an invoice backup report. So when the time comes, you just enter your draft number, hit view report, and it will pull all the detail that's on that invoice. Thanks.